Let me know if you can see
Yep.
my screen. We good?
Yep.
Yes, sir.
All right, sweet. Let's go, Alfred.
Good morning, B&I. Alfred Otoo, Blue Kangaroo Packout. It's a franchise that's pretty much covers most of North America. Next slide, please. Do I control the slides? Okay. My life journey. I don't know if you can see the numbers. Born in Ghana. Dad did work in Southern Africa, so I traveled around Southern Africa quite a lot. Went to college in Montreal, Canada, stayed, married an American who didn't like the cold and dragged me to Maryland, kicking and screaming. Next slide. That's the family. Wife Phyllis over there. Sons, Caden, oldest, and Nathan, and my princess, Araya. As you can tell, we love sports. We play everything under the sun. Next slide. The career. I have a degree in civil and structural engineering from McGill. I spent 21 years in the Canadian nuclear industry, went through engineering. I did operations, Fix It Now team, eventually decommissioning. When we moved to Maryland, I decided not to continue in nuclear and transferred into Blue Kangaroo Packout franchise. Why, everyone asks. Well, at my core, my strengths are safety, quality, I love process. I'm the kind of guy that reads an entire IKEA installation manual before, erecting a small little cabinet. I'm an engineer at heart, and I love communication. If anything, I over communicate. Shown there are the similarities. Safety, radiation is an unseen hazard. Mold, soot particles, predominantly unseen. You can't really see them, but you know it's there. You can smell the smoke in your couch, even if you can't see it. Quality. Nuclear is based on high quality. And that's what I try to bring with Blue Kangaroo Packout, delivery of high quality service. Procedure. You don't just wing it when you're cleaning mold. There's a process, contamination control. You have to follow a process in order to do a high quality job. Engineer at heart, that's where the restoration part comes in. I love fixing things. I love repairing things. It's my passion. And again, communication. Strong believer of good communication. Next slide. So, who are we? Blue Kangaroo Packouts. What is my association with everyone here? Think Ocean's 11. Essentially, we're a highly organized execution team. When you've got a fire or a flood, your life's disoriented, you're in panic. That's where we come in to help you. Our process is simple. Step one, pack out. Meticulous planning. Like the movie, we assess everything, we package, we plan before we touch anything. Step two, detailed documentation. We photograph, inventory, label, and barcode everything. Your items don't get lost because we know where everything is. Step three, restore and store. We control all your valuables. Items are restored when possible. If not, we will provide that information to assist with the insurance claim, and we store it in our climate controlled warehouse. Pack back. At the end of our job, we return everything back to its rightful place. We don't just dump a bunch of boxes with you. If we removed a vase from a
Oops.
flower cake from a shelf, we put it back. Next slide, please. So, quick facts. Do we do mold remediation? On contents, yes. On infrastructure, no. That's what you call Lair and everybody else. Do we clean and repair furniture? Yes. We focus on textiles, rugs, electronics, and we have specialized partners who assist us with scopes that are beyond our control. Do we clean contents following fire? Yes, we do soot removal, cleaning, ozone neutralization, and basic cleaning of damaged products. Do we do residential and commercial packouts? Yes. No job is too big or too small for us to handle. Where else can we help? So other jobs we've done in the last couple of years is real estate transitions. We've helped with estate cleanouts. We've helped with elderly moving to assisted living locations. We've helped with total loss inventory. We've helped with divorce changes as people need their homes packed out and separated. We assist with anything that involves a pack out. Next slide. before and after, some of the things that I've enjoyed fixing, like those chairs from a flood job. Again, we could not repair the upholstery, so we reupholstered the whole thing. It was just, hey, we gave the homeowner a smile. She said that her chair was actually better than she had them before. So, next slide. Few field shots. Unfortunately, my cleaning shop was a little messy, so that's a shop picture from head office. But yeah, vault packaging, trucks, and personnel in the field. Final slide. Big picture. When you work with us, you get a coordinated team, clear roles, tight documentation, secure handling, and a flawless finish. At Blue Kangaroo Packout, there are no shortcuts. There's no guesswork, no surprises. You know what you're getting. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Alfred. Love the analogies. Does anyone have any questions? We can